how to make Samsung announce caller's name while using your AirPods. Now, to make Samsung announce caller's name whenever you're connecting a Bluetooth earpiece, then what we can do is we can simply launch the phone app on our Samsung Galaxy device first, then tap the three dots icon from the top right hand side and we will simply navigate to settings. From navigation settings, here you'll see various types of options over here. So you want to simply navigate to answering and ending calls. So tap on answering and ending calls and you can see various options. You can see read caller names aloud. Turn this on, but tap on it once and select over Bluetooth and headphones only, because if you select always, even when you're not connected to Bluetooth, it will announce the name. So if you want it to be quite private, you can turn on over Bluetooth and headphones only in this case. And this way you can make sure to enable your Samsung's feature to enable the caller's name aloud. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.